at first glance inconspicuously small and normal, but does this impression still persist after a detailed test? At just under 400 grams, this backpack is truly not that heavy. The backpack also got many compartments, but is it worth it to use this backpack for the next trip? Let's start with the weight. The 367 grams feel really light. Even if it is filled with a lot of material, it is comfortable and can be worn for longer distances. Definitely a plus for traveling. Even though it is a lightweight backpack, it can hold quite a lot of material. The 6 compartments and pockets allow you to carry a small tablet and other smaller things like umbrellas, drinking bottles, headphones and more. Furthermore, the backpack can be adapted well to the body size by the adjustability of the shoulder strap. The look is also good with an attractive shade of grey. This appearance is characterized by above all by the quality of the material, which will be mentioned later. The backpack comes in the form of a shoulder bag. This form of wearing allows a comfortable posture. However, many people prefer conventional backpacks and balanced weight on the shoulders. The backpack is made of waterproof nylon with effective protection against moisture. The multi-layer mesh additionally relieves the backpack here. One of the important points the backpack can clearly score in is the price. This is currently just under $18 and even cheaper with a discount code, one of which we will link down below, so definitely go check it out. The price-performance ratio is simply superb. The shoulder bag is good for travel, sports and every other conventional everyday life. So, should you buy it? Well, if you like a lightweight backpack, definitely. If you're more the conventional guy that likes a 2-strap backpack, nah, you shouldn't. And if you want to carry about 500 kilograms of stone on your back, it's probably also not the thing for you. But if you want to look cool, it definitely is something. So check the link down below, like and subscribe if you liked it, and till the next time.